Hi guys, good afternoon, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video guys, I'm going to show you what I picked up from the thrift shop guys. So I went to Ukay Ukay last night, I can't remember, but I picked up a few things and I would like to show them to you guys. So if you'd like to see what I've got guys, then keep on watching. I've got them guys inside these two bags. See guys, Savers. I went to Savers. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is this shirt. So I'm wearing it now guys, but I've still got the tag on. Oh, I'm not sure if it's sure. So this guys is $5.99. So I just like the color guys, like I think this is one of my favorite color, burnt orange. It feels like it suits my skin tone, I think, yeah. But this is what it looks like. This is from a brand Uniqlo. I like that, you know, it's kind of tied on the neck. So that's what it looks like. And then guys, I paired it with the short. This short is also from the thrift shop guys. I don't know if you can see it's got a flare on the bottom. That's what it looks like. I don't know how much, I don't know. That's cute. Right here. So this one guys is $5.49. So that's the one. So this is the second one guys, and as you can see it's Adidas shirt. And yeah, that's what it looks like. And this one I got for, wow, see, $6.99. So yeah. Why is it dark? So this is the third one guys. It's just plain white shirt and I got this for $5.99 as well. But this looks nice. So this one is the fourth one guys. It's just the sleeveless back bracelet. Bottom guys, tata. But yeah, I like it guys. I like the color, and the cloth is very, you know, soft and comfortable. So can you sit at home, just, you know, go to bed with style. So here's the next one guys. It's very similar to the last one. See, it says hashtag boss babe. Is that boss babe? Yeah. But yeah, I think the, you know, the black with the pink, it's very cute. But yeah, I got this one for $4.49. I forgot to tell you guys the last one. It was this one here. I got it for $6.99 and it's from the brand Avent. I don't know guys, first time I hear that. Here's the next one guys. It's just a black shirt with, I don't know what it says. What does it say? Lani. Lani?
I know. It's LA, New York.
Oh, Lani. But yeah, it's from the brand Jovey guys. It's a good brand actually in Australia. I got this one for $6.99, which is not bad. So that's what it looks like. So this one guys is the next one. Mimi picked this up. Mimi picked this up and I think it's so cute. The color is so me actually. It's so comfortable to wear to bed guys. Yes, it's very cute. I like the palm trees in white color. But yeah, that's it. And this one I got for $2.99 guys, so basically $3. It's not too bad at all. So this is the next one guys. It's just a basic spaghetti strap top. It's black color, and I thought I could wear it at work guys, like not just like this, but put it under the blazer or like a jacket. It would be perfect. So yeah, this is the one, and I got this one guys for $2.49, winning. So the next one guys is this cute top from, it's a long sleeve. It's perfect because the sleeve actually just stops there guys, so it's my size. I don't know which this is
you
from.
don't need to fold it.
Yeah, and then I can just, you know, tie it down here guys. Oh, back bonga. But yeah, that's what it looks like guys. Just do it properly. And I got this one for what, $5.49. So all the shirts guys, definitely nothing over $10, so they're always less than $7 for sure. So this is the next one guys. It's similar to the two ones that I showed you before. I bought this one because I really like the color. It's like grayish, and then the writings are in pink. So it's so me guys. That's what it looks like. Girls unite. But obviously you're gonna wear, you know, a proper bra for these guys, the strapless, because with a strap it will show and it looks very odd. But I got this one for $2.99. Yes guys, I'm very good at this. So the next up guys is this just plain black t-shirt. It looks so nice guys. Sometimes less is more, right? So nothing's going on, just a plain black shirt, and it looks so good. So yeah, that's about it for the shirts guys. I'm gonna show you some other things that I grabbed from the Ukay Ukay shop. Next would be Paris's stuff. So I got this one for Paris. This is so cute, just strawberry and the front there, and I got this for $2.99. But that's the one. It looks so cute. And then the next one guys is this, still brand new guys actually. This is from Cotton On Kids. It's still size 3. It's still too big for Paris, but I know, you know, she's gonna get there, so that's fine. And I paid $4.99 for this guys, and I'm happy to pay that much for this because, you know, it's better than paying the full price, right? So that's the one. And then the last one that I got for Paris guys is this white shirt with a rainbow, the sun and the cloud. It looks so cute. And guess what guys, I only got this for $1.79, so it's a win-win. Honey, do you like this one? You like this one? Yeah, come here. Yeah. Do you like this shirt? Do you like this shirt? Do you like this shirt?
Baby now.
Yeah, that's the baby. That's you.
Mama.
That's mama and baby. Who's this? Who's that?
It's mama.
Mama.
This one?
Baby.
That's right, baby. Say hi to the baby. Say hi to the baby. Hi, baby.
Mama.
Hi, mama. Kiss mama, baby. Kiss mama. Kiss mama.
Hello. Bye.
Bye.
Tada.
Alright, mama's gonna show the rest and then we're done. And then guys, Mimi chose this one, but it looks so nice actually. So she got this bag guys. Oh my god, this is my color. It's, you know, the blush pink guys, and you know, with the silver zipper. It looks so good. I don't know, Salindid. I don't know what brand is that guys. Anyways, it doesn't matter. It looks good. It's the main thing. So it's got a strap guys, so you can wear it like this, And then it also got this, so you can wear it over your shoulder. And then it's got like a zip pocket on the back. So yeah, that's the one. It's so cute. Actually, we got these guys for $12.99. And then the next and the last bag that we got, guys, is this bag. It's dark green color. I really like this color too, guys. So it's also got this strap, so you can use it crossbody. You can oh, this is pretty long actually, but it looks like this. Whoop. It's got this button. It still looks very new, guys. But yeah, that's it. And this one, we only got it for $7.99. So that's the one. And then, guys, we got another pair of shorts. This is from the brand Ava. And this is what it looks like, guys. I'm just not gonna try it on, guys, because it's very hard. But that's what it looks like. It's like garterized, guys. So it could fit. This is size small, but it could fit medium because pardon me. But yeah, that's what it looks like. And we got this for $5.49. And then the next one, guys, here, what's this one? Oh. Dave and I don't have I don't have the tag anymore, guys, but this is from Forever New. This is what it looks like. It's a dress. It's a navy blue dress, my favorite color. And then it's got like lace here, so you can cinch on your waist there. But yeah, that's what it looks like. And then the next one, guys, we're nearly there. It's like a track pants. So, you know, it's just very handy to actually have, you know, jogging pants, guys, in your wardrobe, because, you know, sometimes like you just want to go to the shop and you don't really want to dress up too much. So it's very, you know, easy to just grab these, put it on, and then, you know, just a plain shirt, just like that, guys, and then you're out the door. So yeah, it's very nice. It's got pocket on the back, I mean. But then seriously, guys, we got these, the pants, we got these from the kids section, guys, because for the, you know, like women's section, like, will be too big for us. So we normally go to the kids section because we normally get like the, you know, right size there. So that's size 14, guys, for the kids. Anyways, who can tell? And then here's the last one for clothing. And so it is from Adidas, guys. Have a look. There's a track pants. It looks so nice on, guys. Just for casual days. Pair it with the white sneakers. Oh, beautiful. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It is for, actually, I think it's size 12 for kids, guys, but it fits me perfectly well, so I've got no problem with that. I bought this one for $12.99. That's what it looks like. And then there's another pants that we actually bought, guys, but my sister Mimi is wearing it now. Come on, Shelby. Well, she's wearing it now, guys, so she's gonna do the modeling for you.
Size what?
I don't know. Size 14 for kids, guys, but it's just like a plain black track pants.
No, it's not track.
Yeah, it looks like leggings on her because like her thighs are so big. But yeah, those are the clothings, guys. While we were there, we're actually looking at the shoe section as well, and we found these Havaianas, like slippers, thongs, however you want to call it. But yeah, the sizings are perfect because it's gonna, you know, fit my mom and my dad and my, you know, sister-in-law, my brother, because we put them in the balikbayan box, guys, because we're gonna send boxes soon. So we bought this one, and so this one, guys, only for $2.99, which is amazing. And then I've got this too, a red pair, and it's only for $3.99. And then the next one is also a black pair, but it's just bigger than the other one. And this one is for $3.99 as well. So that's it. Hello, Daddy. Can you say hi to my vlog, Daddy? Hello.
Hi. Oops.
Oops. And then we got this one, guys, for Paris. So it's for her bed. Sweet Dreams, all cotton. It just looks very comfortable, guys, so I bought it for her. And also I like the color, so that's why I bought it. And it wasn't bad at all, guys. It was only like $4, so why are you gonna say no for $4? I think it's a good deal. So I got that one. And then the last one, guys, is this. What's this one now? Duna cover. I bought this because as soon as I saw this color and the print, this is so me. So I bought this one, guys. It looks so nice. Sometimes, like when you have colors like this in your bedroom, it just, you know, like your bed calling you, like, oh, come to bed, go to sleep. So yeah, that's what I got. So, and this one I got for, oh, where's the pricing for this one? I couldn't see the price. Here. It's here. Here, right, honey? It's here. Ah. Here's the price, guys. It's $7.99. So yeah, that's what we bought from the thrift shop, guys. We had fun. We actually, you know, like we spent maybe a few hours there, I'd say. But yeah, I think I'm so happy with what we bought, guys, because, you know, I think they're very good buys. So yeah, that's about it. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys. Please subscribe and also give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.